How to log into Chase Freedom credit card account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Chase Freedom credit card. For that, you want to open up any web browser. Now, on the search bar, you want to type creditcards.chase.com. That will take you to this website. Now, you want to tap on the sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. Here you will have to enter your credentials. Go ahead and enter your username on the first box. Then on the second box, enter your password. If you want these details to be remembered, you want to check the box that says Remember Me. Now tap on the Sign In option. If all the details are correct, you will be successfully signed into your account. In case you have forgotten your username or password, tap on Forgot Username/Password option. Now you will have to enter your social security number or tax ID, then enter your account card or application number and tap on the next option. From there, you will be able to retrieve your username or reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.